Hi, welcome to this video. I am Nikhil from Technary.com, and today we are doing the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy M21. So this is the latest smartphone from Samsung which is recently launched, and we are doing a unboxing of this smartphone. So we are removing the package. So this is the box of the device. So this is the latest smartphone from Samsung Galaxy M21. So we will unbox the device right now. So this smartphone is really having a very good display, that's why we have actually got it, and we will actually use it, and we will certainly talk about the features of this device in detail. So welcome to Samsung Galaxy M21 device. So what all is there inside the device? So before talking about the details, I will talk about the features of it. So the thing is that the phone is having weight of 188 gram, which is lightweight. It is having a sleek body, and the device is having the thickness of just 8.9 mm. So we are opening the box. We'll see the device. So yeah, this is the device. The packaging is really very much amazing, crisp. There is not no space left. So as you can see, the box is really very much properly packed, and you can see the device in my hand. So this is the Samsung Galaxy M21. This is the back side of the device, rear side of it, and you can see the other things in the package. So it includes a charger. This is a fast charging 15 watt charger, and this is really used for fast charging this device. So we have the charger with us from Samsung. It is advised to use the Samsung charger itself, the adapter, because it's important to do the fast charging with it. It is advised to do so. This is the data cable. Yeah, it's a USB type C data cable provided with the device, which is really important to use. And this is a user manual with the ejection pin, as you can see. So this is an ejection pin. So to remove the SIM cards or to change it, you can use the ejection pin with use. So we are opening this box, and what we can see is the guide. So as you can see, this is having a quick starter guide. So also there's a regional lock guide and warranty card in this box. So this will surely help you to start the device, but you can watch this video that how we have started this device. You will get the quick start guide from us right now, right here on our channel technary.com. If you haven't subscribed till now, subscribe right now to get the latest gadgets, reviews and views from our side. So yeah, this is the ejection pin which I am removing right now. So we'll talk about the features of this phone, and we'll also use this ejection pin for actually changing, putting our SIM cards in it, and we'll use this phone for sure. So talking about the display, the phone is having a full HD plus Super AMOLED display. The screen size is 6.4 inch, which is also 16.21 centimeter. So this is an amazing screen. So we are now actually opening the cover of this phone. So as you see, we are actually opening the cover, and we are going to actually unbox the device for sure. So let's see what is there in the phone itself. So as you saw in the back side, it is having a triple camera. So as you can see, it is having triple camera upwards. There's also fingerprint sensor. The triple camera consists of 5 megapixel depth camera, 48 megapixel main camera, and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. See, you can see these cameras. There's also flash with it, and there's also fingerprint sensor button over there. It's not a button, you can just touch your finger and you can unlock the device. There's also fast face unlock to this smartphone as well. And talking about the other features, it is available in two variants. One is having 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. This is the 4 GB RAM variant, and another one is having a 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. So that is another variant. So it is having a biometric authentication, as I said. So we have just started the device. The power on button are on the right side. There are also volume buttons, so we have powered on the device. So let's go. So we are checking out the information, what all to check and what not. It is advised from my side to do the just needful basis, so that we can quickly start the device. So the phone is having a 15-watt fast charging with USB Type C as mentioned earlier. It is having a huge 6000 milliampere hour battery capacity. So you can charge the device and use for a couple of days as said by the company. Now we will also test it from our side. Now we are moving ahead. It is having AI game booster as well. The phone is having Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection for the screen. So it's really having some amazing display. Uh, the phone, as you can see, it is having an infinity U display. So we are doing setting a date and time right now. So the infinity U display is also accompanied with contrast ratio of 78960 is to 1, which is really high, and also peak brightness of 420 nits. The screen ratio is amazing, it's more than 91%. The phone is actually having an octa-core processor. This is an Exynos 9611 processor at 2.3 gigahertz octa-core, and it is accompanied with GPU Mali MALI, that is G72 MP3. The RAM, as I said, it is available in two variants, 4 GB RAM and 6 GB RAM. It also comes with a Widevine L1 certification, which gives access to a lot of entertainment. The phone is having a good SAR value, which is 0.46 W by kg. So it is having, it's safe to use. It is having Android 10. You can see the Android 10 UI with One UI 2.0. The actually it is having a lot of sensors, which is accelerometer, fingerprint sensor, gyro, geomagnetic, proximity, and virtual light sensor in it. So we are actually now skipping. Now here is the main screen. So we can see the phone. It looks really amazing, guys. So we have got it from Amazon right now, and it's really amazing phone. So as you can see, there are a lot of inbuilt applications like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hello, and other applications. So we will actually do play with it. We will actually check the device in depth, in detail. So enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and make sure that if you're looking for a smartphone with a budget of around less than 13,000, then this is the perfect phone for you, because the price of this phone is 12,699 for the 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. I had done a lot of research and purchased this phone in this price range. Apart from this, it is also having another variant which is having 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, which is having a price of 14,999. And you can check the links in the description below if you want to purchase this device. And you can see this device is having a lot of things. So we're checking the about phone feature. There is a model number SM M21SF. So if you're in India, there's no problem in unlocking the phone. But if you are outside India and you're using other SIM card, then make sure you don't purchase this device from India. You purchase it from elsewhere, because there might be problem in unlocking the device. So as you can see the UI of this device, we will do the in-depth review soon. Thank you for watching. Take care.